Hello, I'm Ethan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to read Rubik's Cube notation. If you see something like this and want to know what it means, then this video is right for you. So let's get started. Firstly, the Rubik's Cube has 6 faces and we give each face a letter. This one is U for up, D for down, F for front, B for back, R for right, and L for left. I can turn this face once clockwise, once anti-clockwise, or twice in either direction. To turn a face, we look at the direction you'd see it turning if you were looking at that face. So turning the R face clockwise looks like this, but turning the L face clockwise goes in the other direction, like this. To turn a face clockwise, we use a letter by itself, like F, R, or D, but to turn a face anti-clockwise, we use an apostrophe after the letter pronounced as prime, like F prime, R prime, or D prime. And to turn a face twice, we put a 2 after the letter, like F2, R2, or D2. And that's all you need to know to solve the cube using the beginner's method. You can click here if you want to go to that video. You can write moves in that notation for any size cube. For big cubes, if you see one of these moves, it means you only turn the outer layer. So this is F, this is R, and this is D. If you want to turn 2 layers, we put a W in after the letter. For example, if this is L, then that means this move is LW, or L wide. And to turn more than 2 layers, we put a number at the beginning to show how many layers to turn. So this move is 3R wide, because we turn 3 layers. Don't forget to do a double turn, we put 2 at the end, so this would be 3R wide too. And once you know what these moves mean, you can use them to solve a cube of any size. Cube rotations are quite easy also. To know which way to turn the cube, we label each axis with a letter. The x-axis is sideways, the y-axis is up and down, and the z-axis is forwards and backwards. To do a cube rotation, such as x, we hold the x-axis and turn the cube around it. Since x goes in the same direction as r, we hold the axis and turn all 3 layers in the direction of r. Y goes in the same direction as u, so this is y and this is y prime, and z goes in the same direction as f, so this is z and this is z prime. Now for slice turns. On a 3x3 cube, there are 3 slice moves. The most common slice turn is M, which goes in the same direction as L. So this is M, and this is M prime. Next is S, which goes in the same direction as F. So this is S, and this is S prime. And the last one is E, which goes in the same direction as U. So this is E, and this is E prime. Apart from M moves, slice moves are rarely used for regular 3x3 solving, but they're often used for blindfolded solving, so it's important that you know how to read them. Slice moves on a big cube is similar to turning multiple layers. To turn the left 3 layers clockwise, we use 3L wide, but to turn only the 3rd layer from the left, we remove the W, so it becomes 3L. To turn the 2nd layer, we change L wide into 2L. Finally, if you see a lowercase version of any of the 6 basic moves, it can mean one of 2 things, and it depends on which cube you have. On a 3x3, it's the same as a wide move, so lowercase r just means r wide. But specifically on a 4x4, it's a slice move where you only turn the 2nd layer, so lowercase r on a 4x4 looks like this, which is the same as 2r. And the last thing you need to know for scrambling any cube is that you always scramble with white on the top and green on the front. And those are all the possible notations for a cube of any size. For non-cube shaped puzzles, the notation can get even more confusing, so I've left them out of this video. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe by clicking the button down here. Thanks for watching.